Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Sharma. Welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in last video we seen how many types of instance in Jira software. Okay. So in this video we will see how to set up the account in Jira software. Okay. So first of all we will see create a free account, choose the template, choose the site, and we will make up one project. Okay, so let's move on the browser. So here we will just write Jira software. Okay, so I'm clicking on this link. You have to follow the same thing, and here you can see you will get this like this interface. I'm clicking on this start my free 30 days trial. Okay, so here you will get this interface. You just need to click on this link for free trial. So what you need to do, you need to create the one account before that. So I'm going to back, and here first of all you need to create an account. Okay, I already have account, but you need to create a one account, and after that you will have to go inside this free trial. Okay, so I'm clicking on again, and here I'm clicking on that. So here you can see I already have account, so it is showing my email. So here what you need to do, you need to set your you need to mention your site. Let's say you can take any name, let's say ABC D 1 minute demo 123 demo 123. You can Rocky Web Tech 10. So I'm clicking on this agree button. So it will take some time to set up. So here you can see one moment your site is starting up. Okay, so you will get like this user interface to set up your Jira account in Atlassian portal. Okay, it will take time. So we set up the account here. So after that you will get like this types of interface. So you just need to select the template. So by default we will it is selected, so no need to select any other. I will tell you in the next video. So we have to click on this next button, and here you have to set up your you have to mention your project name. Let's say you can write let's say product list. Okay, product list. You can write any whatever your project name, you have to write here project name, and we will click on create project. Okay, before that so I miss one thing here. I'll tell you. 1 minute. This is the very important thing. I am creating another site, so please don't confuse. Sorry for that, because I have missed one thing. That was the very important thing. Again, it will take some time. You can forward the video because it will take time. Yeah, so so here you can see, so it's already selected. You just need to click on next button, and here you can see you need to mention here the project name. Okay, so here you can see when we click on this more, so more, and here more template. So what is this? So here there are three types of template, here four types of Kanban, Scrum, top level planning, and bug tracking. So for my suggestions, like my opinion, we will use this Scrum because inside this template there are many functionality and many features compared to Kanban and top level. So so we will compare between Kanban and Scrum and bug tracking. So we will click on this Scrum. We have selected this Scrum template. We will click on this create project. Okay, so here so after that you will get this like this interface. So if you want to connect with other tools, other application to track your project status, let's say Microsoft, GitHub, and like this, so I will not select here, you can select. So I will skip for a moment. After that you will get like this interface. So we successful create one project, you can see here, and you just need to like this. Okay, so here you can see this is the dashboard of Jira software we have created. So you can see you have to click on this project, and here whatever project is you have created, you will create it, all project will be display here. So I have only one project for a moment, product list. Okay, so here you can choose, and here you can see that there are many section, many grid, to do, in progress, and done. So this is the simple dashboard in the Jira software. In the next video we will see uh, how we can implement, how we can dive in details in Jira software. Okay, so thank you so much, thanks watching this video, thanks.